This is Mike, my cameraman, and yesterday he slept through 350 on a lottery ticket. Mike, where was your brain?
I don't know.
Alright, Mike, I'm getting your 350 back right now and making myself a couple of thousands using my proven strategy. Hey everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. My win rate is 91%. Throughout my career, I've made over 600,000 trades and my strategies and signals have already helped over 21,000 people start getting results in trading. And today, my mission is to get back all the savings my cameraman Mike lost, while also showing you how one of my most effective strategies works. If you are ready to learn one of my most powerful trading strategies, one that even a beginner can understand, then watch this video till the end. Let's go! Before we jump in, I want to give you one step toward your goal right now. I've built a Telegram community with over 12,000 people who follow me, copy my trades, and make daily, consistent earnings in trading. Here's what my daily trading signals look like. And here are hundreds of reviews from community members. If I could go back 8 years and get access to everything I have now, but much faster, I wouldn't hesitate for a second. You now have the same opportunity. You can either take it or keep things the same. The choice is yours. Just for you, I've left a link in the description and pinned a comment below this video. So pause the video right now, join my community, and then come back to watch my strategy, the same one you'll be using when you trade with me. I'll be waiting for you. Let's get to the most important part, trading. My platform is already open. Today I'm starting with 15. Now, I will choose my pairs and, of course, indicators. Today I will be using SuperTrend. It helps identify trend direction and entry points. Everything is set up, let's get started. Looking at our first pair. Alright, without wasting any time, I'm going up. The price stayed in the range for a while but then broke out, pushing past a resistance level. That wasn't hard. Let's see what happens next. What do we have here? I'm placing 28. I see the price was consolidating for some time before breaking downward, signaling a trend shift to bearish. Checking the SuperTrend indicator, it turned red and moved above the price, confirming a downtrend. A sell signal has appeared, showing sellers in control. After a slight upward correction, I'm going down, expecting the downtrend to continue. We've got 53 in the bag. Let's keep going. Looking at our pairs, let's stop here. I'm placing 53. Looking at the chart, I see an uptrend confirmed by a buy signal on SuperTrend. Plus, the price is sitting at the lower boundary of a range, creating a solid entry point for a move up. Since the trend is still going up and the support level is holding, I'm buying, expecting further forward movement. Let's watch. Perfect, my prediction was right. Let's keep going. Checking the next setup. Earlier, the price was moving down from a descending resistance line, but now it has broken above it, signaling a trend reversal to the upside. SuperTrend has changed to green and moved below the price, confirming the uptrend. A buy signal has appeared, showing that buyers are in control. All conditions are met, I'm going up. We're back in profit. Our total is now on 183. Let's keep going. Do you know what separates successful people from everyone else? Taking action fast. If you want to know how I built my life from scratch and achieved everything I have today, and how you can get there much faster, there's only one solution: my private Telegram community. Inside, you will find everything, from proven strategies to step-by-step actions you can apply starting today. This is a place where people are achieving real results. I created this private group to share everything I can't talk about on YouTube. It's only available to a limited number of people, and right now you have a chance to join. The link is in the description and pinned comment below this video. Act now before this opportunity disappears. Let's analyze further. Alright, the price didn't break lower and buyers are buying aggressively, bringing the uptrend back. Looking at SuperTrend, we have a buy signal, confirming that buyers are still in control. Everything indicates that the uptrend will continue. So we're taking off again, friends. We're making great progress. Let's keep up the pace. Okay, what do we have here? Price is ranging and currently sitting at the lower boundary, making it a great entry point. Since the trend remains bullish and support is holding, I'm going up. We're already at 710. Now I'm ready to go for bigger numbers. Now, let's check the next pair. I see a strong upward impulse, signaling a shift to an uptrend. After a minor pullback, the price is holding above the key levels, confirming trend continuation. I'm going up. Let's watch. $1,363. That's an amazing result, but I'm not stopping now. Moving on. Here the price touched the super trend line, but buyers couldn't hold the upward movement. I see clear signals of weakening upward movement. After bouncing off the indicator line, the price failed to continue higher and was quickly pushed back down. Large red candles appeared, indicating strong selling pressure. The price broke below super trend, shifting to the downtrend. Everything points to a reversal. I'm going down. Now we're getting into some serious numbers. This is getting more and more exciting. Let's keep going. I'll stop at this pair. The setup is clear. The trend is confidently going up and the price continues to climb. After a correction, the price held above the key levels, showing solid buyer strength. Let's go for it. Awesome, friends. Let's wrap up our final result. Alright. Pushing it to the max. As an experienced trader, I trust my skills. What do we see? After our last trade, there was a correction, but there is still an uptrend. Checking super trend, the line is still green and below the price, confirming the uptrend continuation. The buy signal is still active, showing buyers are dominating. So we're taking off. Amazing, and our final total is 8,595. Remember where we started? Just 15. This is what I love about trading, the adrenaline rush and the thrill of seeing results like this. So, as you've seen, the most brilliant strategies are the simplest ones. If you want a bigger result, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. I have already created a step-by-step plan that works. All you have to do is use the tools I'm giving you. Right now, you can start trading with me. As I mentioned before, all you need to do is click the link in the description. Join my community, where I share these strategies daily. None of my community members were special or different. They just made a decision to take control of their future. Now, it's your turn. That's all for today. See you soon in my Telegram community.